So this is the home page of the Techmotion CRM, and we have a bunch of things on here. My overdue task, maintenance follow-up, things like that. These were added, so you can add these components. You can also delete. We're going to show you how to add a component to the home page. So if you go up here to the top right, and you click on that little three dots right there, and you want to click on add component, right? So you click on add component, and then you want custom view, right? So you click on custom view, and you want tasks. So you want to use tasks. You click on tasks, and then you want to find the custom view. So what are we looking for? Today's task, right? We want to put a component on there so that when I look at my screen every morning, I'll see the tasks that are due for today. So if we click on today's task right here, right? And then we want to name it today's task, or let's just say my today's task, right? All right, and you save that, and then that will actually drop at the bottom, so it shows up right here. These are all the tasks that are due for today, and it's right at the bottom. I don't want to have to scroll down to see this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this right here, and I want to do reorder. So you click on reorder, and now I can go down to the bottom. I can grab this and drag this up to the top, right? So I'm just going to drag it all the way up. All right, so once I get it to where I need it to be, I can also move some of this around. So I can put this over here. All right, so now I have my today's task, and then I have my overdue tasks. And then if I'm satisfied with that, you just hit save, and now your home page will look like that. So if you click on home again and it refreshes, it will come back to the same spot.